amatanga, chinyangi, chibirthday, nesangirikano y'ekikanisa, baby shower, anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyumo, enyangi usuko kwa kuyomino, emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties, engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asirigolidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba munyibaita bobale nobo munyibiguro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo yigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitira namba 0741499726
Yo bomboli umwanone kirijane
Stariki ne mirongo hisatu ne ye mumutinye no yoga tatu mwakano yowechirubira mirongo hebere ne tano nomo. Mancho mu rigerinde no kwegena mbiyorando sia sole na gukwani na bwe gukarigane. Onyora mangana maya ye kyonga chinsenye chiabo no butiko. Literane Cyrus Nyakundi asense milimo nyeryo na Wilson Makuli na gusabire tuskale. Uchake kunga chinsenye ni goli tukuri alero homogavana we kaunti ya Kisumu Paul Simba Arati atarana kuigole nyagitari ya Kenya level 4 maiga yogo siko gwetani umutie nyoyomo kinga kimusubati hasireti bugima kinga kyalenge konkia senyagitari yo asetari yaye ni gate bechiro ya Kenya ni gera chikobeko chikapro ikego cha hasubiga bakiroli okubetwa gwechisindani asetugo ugasaba gakulira yogo chigwekerania magendro Likito dibone asanya aroboturu asinchira yobwikira
nganchere toigwana ndiri nyaktari ansegasero mo wanje boyo
Netaro ya bene jo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati ya maseyemo goika asinyagitari ya Kenya level 4 ya beteke gosie kwa omutenyo elire maega yobututuka nuko nekigwa asinyagitari yo chingaki omusubati yomo abeteka gosiria obugima bwaye chingaki alenge koibora gukwana nabamenyi bensemeyuni go ababoririe barabogotoire getambokero asamagokabo anene chingaki ebikora bunebyo byabere bikonekirwa chingaki bono enyagitari yo egenderete gukorerwa amaonchorero ao nigaye igora bene asogo chaka asebo chingaki abakagukwanira amagendero ao ayu aroberetie anene guchia saba menyi bebunge yabo machoke borabu.
Kwanza nataka nishukuru officers wetu wa polisi na DCI kwa sababu ndio mama alipoteza maisha hapo, na ni bahati mbaya kwamba mama alipoteza maisha na pia hata mtoto akafa, lakini kifo hicho kimoja akiweza ifanya vifo vingine nyingi zifanyike. Hatuwezi funga hospitali, watu wanafaa watibiwe
kabisa.
Akiye arudi na kipta na bibu ndelanga kironga chikone tiki na tebega munganje ese baje to wanzu mutinyo tano ni nkumekile shua enyagitari yego wochoro no ntrabe tusindani okubye abanyagitari mbaro twarusigenga nane mbaba sakwirana esengenjo okonyorera enye ya specialist muntu takoritiki abaneta na tebe bali bando trage de training kuba rusinde bagende training bagende sikekati
kubwatakana n'ekiburaburwa kyaenegetigwe oika ogosieko kwenyagitari eyo igobono abwatukege kurege tindi ase bari babwataranetie no gukora obusaria
otondi bwenso swetema akabwatune kamera CCTV bakubugoli TV bakubugoli computer bakubugoli ebintu yonsibi ikyobosi kyabwe onabwa na ile tu cash 100,000 na about 300 wale kwende prisons mungoso kiagera abantu kulwele abantu barwari bakopera abantu iko makosa natokea kakiso wanje kwa isansa mukwani. Don't take advantage.
Kake chiboigo ni gacha kyomurobelio bene bwetugo ko betwa chisindani cha marweire aliagotanga emenwa na bwege bitago
roto koron a vaccination ya foot and mouth bali abatugibe chombe momanyete aliege timo ino koron chitole
ensemo yende omwe msiewe wodi yo yabo kimonge amosonderi nigorere agokiro murobelio yo
Nanchere asile kachintero itangani kulane ngamja mwana soto pauga. Kita kutulong jual tuare laundry jual tuare kitchen. Akipain check tine wane 100 million ya Kenya woke once and for all.
Kurwa ase sekta ya wachenu imeye county ya Kisii Dr. Matiko.
Your Excellency, jinsi ulivyotoa maagizo kwamba tuchukue hatua kuhakikisha kwamba hii kitendo hakitendeki tena hapa. Kando na kazi ambayo imekuwa ikiendelea hapa ya kurepair the buildings, nafikiri hata wananchi wanaona mabadiliko. Kuna mashine sasa ambazo zimeletwa ili kufanya theater ianze kufanya kazi. So anesthetic machine imekuja.
Maiga yaye ni gali yo kuchukubwatarana na bamenyi be county ya Kisii asogoikerania amagenderero aho gati yabo chipara na boigo aboroki wakone kiwangango chibari ase chiskuru asokubwatoka jibasari anene gochakira eikigocha
ngalobe chiro ese enchembra e contractor nega umuntu nariga naire contractor yokoros cabros chichirugani umuntu iwe tenda Mumeshunga siya koleka nebia ne ya koleka ntesunika as cabros na bigiti chons.
Thank you sir.
Abanga wetu cabros chiri. Amali wana rata gotoka gaiga agotoka level 5. Amali wana rata gotoka gaiga agotoka level 6. Amali wana ya cancer moving no ile level 5 aligotoka. Kwa chiki kwa hiyo a prescription. Mubuli ngangoro kingeze computer mayoga ina chicha usemo riskoga umuntu onyama yogo onye mo onyo ntebe nyowe anteri umuntu yagende antutam
Kuriga senyagitari ya Kenyenya level 4 egotoke bunge ya Bomachoge borabwe county ya Kisii eliane gongoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Obo teneneri benyagitari ya Masava North Level 4 Hospital Keroka igo wene kiribuna chira chiro marabenso muske William Ruto abete bakubalira nigo bono chabere chigwe kiraniwa igati chire cyo nigo ichali wo mwaka ya munenu swelire kati abono kwa gacha kwenyasi ichikoni yekerero hegati ye chinda hechinde aya nigo nsiane kiwe no munyagitari munene benyagitari yo asirita Dr. Samuel Mbati yote biri buno bokarari bubugwenya asenya gitari yo ni gubamentekanire magega yakonyoro kubwatisugo kanene korwa serikali ye county ya Nyamira na boige serikali nene muri kitsofatika digisemba no robotura sinjira yo wikirano
no mwaka oyomo nemetinye 53 yaetire esa omarayo manene bwense Dr. William Ruto akorete etaro ya magenderero asomoche okeroka ase omugabana bwe county ya Nyamira omuske Amos Nyaribo airete chinga kyecho na kumuburia amagenderero ao egati yabo okwagachwa kwenyasi eryo gotinya oborendi ase nyagitari iga ya Keroka.
This hospital is very beautiful and it's exposed. Please tusaidie tupate hiyo perimeter wall. Namba 2, tusaidie tupate modern kitchen. tunataka modern laundry ili mkirara sheets zinaoshwa mzuri, mwingine akikuja anapata imekuwa clean.
Sasa hospitali nimejenga, equipment nimeweka, fans nimekubali, ambulance peke yake sasa ninunue ambulance. Haya wewe bwana PS, tafuta ambulance letea hii watu.
Kubatakana na magenderero ayo asabetwe n'umugavana Onyamira nigo obuteneneri bw'enyagitari eyo ya Keroka bakoragwa n'umunyagitari omunene Masabano Level 4 Hospital Dr. Samuel Ombati baenekia bona magenderero ayo nigo bayanyorire.
So the facility was upgraded courtesy of the national government. We have got new buildings, we have got beautification which has been done. Through the courtesy of the county governor, His Excellency Ngaribo, we got a perimeter wall and beautification which has been done. Matters of cabros, it has gone a long way, making sure that the facility has a better facelift.
Aiga boigo ibaenekire buna maega yenyagitari eyo konyora obokonyo bwo nigo bono bamentire nonya no bokoreri ao bobo bwenya igento yakonyire amagima yabange.
And also we do orthopedic cases there. If somebody has an injury, a trauma case, we are also able to do them. We also offer gynecological services for those mothers who have complications post delivery or during their age. We also offer managed, since we opened the facility, we've been able to do around roughly 500 to 650 cases since we opened the unit, and we are proud of that.
Amaene twarorire abaroire bakunyarwa bagocha asobonge mono banyara service cheito nabo igo buna bono maternity yeito ebwata abaroire abangina abange mono nabo gasichi wodi cheito
nonya nabo nigo bakwerera buna ebabeire bagutoria amagima ase abasubati chinga kichiria bakuibora nabo igo ugutoria amagima ao ekero kemibasukano yepara.
On matters of emergency services, I would like to state clearly that we are capable of responding to emergencies. We have had a couple of accidents around here, and since this is a highway, we have seen accidents happening and we are responding to them. The latest one was the one which happened in Chebilat, involving some of our people from Rigoma ward. When we were called, we were able to respond actively.
Keroka nongo korero huduma yani kilini kinongocha mbuye kongira nande mbiyetoka ndeta warwaire ndochindo gasane kuhudumiwa nachitega igambo benarenge akini mbango abanyitari mbango nyetera saka bwatesi
Ayiga negatia magenderero ayanyare kobaga gwikiraniwa korengana no kuboria ukumo gavana bwe county ya Nyamira omuske Amos Nyaribo abetega kuboria omurai bwense Daktari William Ruto erio anyare kobaga koyekonya enyagitari eiga ya Keroka. Kingo reporter Getembe koraiga senyagitari eiga ya Masabano Level 4 Hospital eyegotoka ime yomochie Keroka ime ye county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Yesemba
Awanya Kinyoro bageterere hime yewodi ya Kembwe bunge ya Nyaribari chache kaunti ya Kisii nigo litukolera rero besokina kwe murunganiro gusalika gw'ekipara chimbe ekichire birengo kisali gweteka nabayigo kuborwa gwestima gwetani umwaka yomo nigo bano baruru kuboria gochasa barayibe nseme yo kubwatira na bunenchere yemo yogwekerani hamagendero hayibabete bakurikira
abantu mbara batabwati magoro bagusinyugotara bana iga etoko chikogenda twagwa bara ntobwati abaminto inumero chembia enga yanenge terera ntobwato mochando bwe para gagine sitima abaminto akitakonye anya na batubati bakoibora mbabwati ase bagweteriwa bagenda nyagitari iwatoko bareka kamega Kamare kama mkungu maji paka kai kene kitari otoi bwana ranja magongo. Akitakonya. Enke iga ngaterere. Non gotoka saya. Lakini asobyenye tuwatande kire bobe pare ye kenyore ke tuwatande kire. Igere gotoka nano monta kara ruarire. Yani gotoka nano kara monta ruarire. Njera teyo bako monta be kuire ko ka moto ko ikera erami. Ka kia bagambi bara baka chaji kwamete abagambi bare ga gatwaete obogambi. Igaro rekane terimo akagenda bi.
Setu noga iga getera roche. Shida tubwate ne para gaki. Etinyire tubwate murai gaki. Seita pare karosi ukor moinali ga kiranjire kara. Ona gojaga ge twasmikira moto kiranjira teyo. Tubwate murai igon turwa gakura.
Ne turesa koenda paka muinogari. Ntonyo ninge pare yo nebe kire no moro mutoko ngege toyo. Diswari rine nkoboriga abantu bamintu buna munganega. Oyo nabune geteigoro. Ndine te pipiga sabu nandeiga. Pokora go muinogari pare teri gwete ko.
Pare kurwa mate na uri akorete kurmate akabeka moro mwagaikaga ari atakoleti. Ese moye stima umurai chanda atakoletiki. Tabege tisima akatungai nango tebekera ale bintu
ekaike transform ekabeko gali kwisinta roche moinali egate ruboto kone bijana abantu batite bakaira abantu bakenya pa abantu bamanyiti bagatike stima yekere on stima yegete kagwa egaita ngombe yo muongi no minto mukama chuma sabeti yo minto wono njege ndo kianda tege buna abantu baminto bakyombu ward imbwateli yanda line na abantu baminto keko grantu bwati borai intoto liko kwana igoro bobeyo moyo gabano ito simbarat boro simbuwarati no monto miyale intwe tumozo kumosaba because intoro chumora iyo ito yole kyombu ward eto gosaba ndwaro jeni kwale tse birakta sisi tunataka ukuje na hiyo birakta byao gaiga ground ega toro birakta byao
Mo DCC bwe sub county ya Kenya Franklin Pete sabira baiboli babi maiso chinga kya barokiwa basikire chisukuru na bagochanka kulingana na Pete hawa temwa mangenigo agenda teko chiko baterani abarokiwa bo anene honyo bolendi buya mboligo chikobekwa iga basabira bachifu na bakonyi babo na boigo nyumba 10 kubaterana gokia nibo kebago na boigo mariogo yogotindia na boigo korondo igo halinge koja kwana yeme ya bisiaye ali chinsemo chia Kenya litiko
yale ni naibu county commissioner ya Kenya sub county na saa hii mashule inaenda kufungwa, so tunataka kutoa wito kwa wasasi watunze watoto wao wakiwa nyumbani, kwa sababu likizo itakuwa ndefu kidogo. Wahakikishe kuwa wazazi watoto hawaendi kwa mashine za gambling kucheza huko Avieta. Pia maneno ya mihadarati waangalie, kwa sababu mihadarati ni nyingi kwa vijijini, so waangalie kuwa watoto wametunzwa wasijiingize kwa maneno ya mihadarati. Pia tunatoa wito kwa wadogo wetu machifu na naibu wao wawe macho, wahakikishe kuwa watoto wajiingizi kwa maneno ya mihadarati ama kwenda kucheza maneno za gambling. Hiyo ndio wito wetu kwa saa hii. Sioni kama kuna maneno mingi ingine. Sheria pia inasema watoto wadogo kabla hajafika mwaka 18 hawaruhusiwi kuingia kwa hizo gambling, kuingia kwa maneno ya mihadarati ama pombe haramu. Watoto wadogo ambao hawajafikisha umri wa mwaka 18 haruhusiwi kisheria, na tukipata wale wanaweza usia watoto ambao hawajatimiza mwaka 18, hatua kali za kisheria zitachukuliwa zidi yao. So hiyo ndio msimamo wetu, na vile nimesema machifu wetu na manaibu wao na hata wazee wa vijiji wawe macho, ndio kusudi tuhakikishe kuwa watoto wetu wanakaa salama salimini wakati wa hii likizo wa Pasaka.
Mjumbe wa bunge ya Kisutu Chache South Muske Anthony Kibagendi igo hatinenugwa gutekerane bikaro bye bunge nene ase ntunda yendi yakabire ne magega yokorekana komoji bunge nene asogoteba buna nigegurire Muske Kibagendi nige wa matuko 14 gutekerane bikaro bye bunge yo abaigo chikomiti.
And Mr. Speaker, I raise on a point of order pursuant to the provision of Standing Orders 1081 of the National Assembly Standing Orders. I raise to invite the House to name Honorable Member for Kitutu Chache constituency for grossly disorderly conduct. Honorable Speaker, as I recall, after being moved by this House, the Honorable Speaker directed that the member be excluded from the precincts of Parliament until he submits an appropriately worded apology to the House. Speaker, I have seen the Honorable member within the precincts of Parliament, yet I have not seen, heard or read any of such apology being given.
It's for you to decide, and this has nothing to remove, or with the removal of Honorable Anthony Kibagendi from his seat as MP for the good people of Kenya he represents. It is strictly a matter of, privilege and a matter falling under the provisions of Standing Order number 108. Now, honorable members, I put the question that the Honorable Anthony Kibagendi be suspended from the service of the House for a period of 14 days from today. Will as many as are of that opinion say aye? Will as many as are of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Yes, sir. Honorable Kibagendi? You have been suspended from the service of the House for 14 days, beginning the time the House made the decision. I know you will disobey, you will obey the order. Honorable Kibagendi, you will leave the House. You are for now a stranger in the House. Please leave.
Kubatikana negitambukire kyo ke bunge nene gyokumotene omusike Kibagendi goteikana sama gacho ye bunge yo nigobono hoyorenge homo senator mochoro omusike Grace Glory Oruba aisokire na kugikire getambukire kya sate bibona hayoni gago chachinga kyo omusike Kibagendi agendereire kororekana ko musari umutwe wo kugikire meroberio ye serikali omusike Oruba niga terune bunge yo tesigeti gochika wiki gambero.
Mheshimiwa Kibagendi is being persecuted kwa sababu anafanya kazi yake vile inafaa. He is one of the few members of parliament ambao they have not been captured by William Samoei Ruto. Kibagendi shida zake zilianza pale alipolipua ile maneno ya SHA. Mahali ambapo alikuwa anauliza Aden Duale maswali magumu ambayo Aden Duale alishindwa kujibu. I have been saying this and I want to repeat and reiterate. Parliament, both the National Assembly and the Senate, is run by William Ruto. Our parliament is not independent. William Ruto amechukulia pale National Assembly na Senate kama ni servants quarter yake ya kufanya vile ambavyo anataka kufanya. Sasa wanajaribu kuvuruga huyu Kibagendi, wanajaribu kumfungulia maneno sijui ya EACC, and I'm telling you, just like I was given a court order by the courts, legally binding, kuambiwa ya kuwa nafaa nirudi kazini. Kibagendi alipewa order za kuambiwa kwamba nafaa rudi kazini. Lakini just as we have known, hii serikali ni bure kabisa. William Ruto kazi yake ni ameingia kila mahali ni kama kiosk. Independent institutions that are supposed to run independently, the president has made sure he has disintegrated each and every fabric of independent institutions. Na ndio kwa maana ninawaambia, nendeni mkajiandikishe Gen Z. Nendeni mkajiandikishe wamama. Nendeni mkajiandikishe vijana, wanaume, kila mtu ambaye anajali juu ya hii nchi. Kwa sababu if parliament can be run the way it is being run, I'm telling you, our last line of defense, which is judiciary, wako karibu kuingia. Kasongo wako karibu kuingia huko pia karode kabisa amalize. Kwa hivyo pole sana Anthony Kibagendi. As the Gusii Nation, we are very, 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 very disheartened. As the Gusii Nation, Of course nikitolewa, Wakisii wote walijua kuwa huyu William Ruto hana haja na Wakisii. Na sasa imefika mahali pia anatuonyesha kabisa hataki maneno ya Wakisii vile ambavyo ana deal na waheshimiwa kutoka huko Kisii. Na ndio mnaona sasa Kibagendi tena ndio huyo is being persecuted for doing his job as an independent member of parliament. And I want to say this. Chukua kadi, jiandikishe. Kwa sababu ile risasi tuko nayo ni moja. Na hiyo risasi ni ya kupeleka William Ruto nyumbani through the ballot 2027.
Asarwa turumo nchomo ligere hata nyoro mutimo komo keto kuirana tugende ne kyunga sinchira yoboikirano.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero. Ili wimanyibu na mangana watika. Kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV. Nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya. Chi video ne vipindi vya Gatembe ao. Ngakiende yonse. Inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto. Boigo share na basani amoni amate. Ejo baigokie, baimanye na wesemia. Tobase kweba, turn on a notification bell yani ekengere. Ejo onyarikoba goko ya nyora. Chingaki abikiri ase omtandao. Gatembe Television Network. Ekinakyo ekeunga. Kiamwa mogusie. Sha Ceramics netuka iyo n'ibintu by'ubwagaji au asili golirense nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitanki au na bwo kurose chi company au locks and accessories babwate chichogo se toilets echichire chechingenjo au na bwo n'ibintu bigutumika se a bathroom babwate chi kitchen sinks na bwo ni tap babwate bintu bigukora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites nkona bale MDF boards kona bale deformed bath chichingenjo au babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire chichingenjo au konya bale bwigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets babwate biro byechingenjo au babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde binge ebyo bakonya seligolirense nigo bagutuka ase nyombere manyakanta na Cansons Plaza asebara ya Kisii Kisumu imeyo muchiyiga obusungu asamange naboko bakirisi bigwetera se kinamba cyabo 0703943972.
Karibu na ndo mwanchomo rigerelia mwabiso munene bekyombe kyo korobo tuki DCI Mohamed Amini igate bruno botuki nigo bogendete kubatikana n'imibere yo yabeteke gotoka getindikira se county ya Kericho upana chingeki cyamini nigate bruno n'imibere yo M33 iyo yatogete getindikire ase county yo nigo yonsi ya Rwita se county ya Nyamira.
The mortuary records do not account for the discharge of the 46 infants or fetuses whose remains may have left the morgue under unclear circumstances. And these findings, therefore, point to serious lapses in mortuary protocols, serious lapses in documentation and oversight at Nyamira Teaching and Referral Hospital mortuary, as well as irregularities in the burial process at the Makoborini Cemetery, owned by the National Council of Churches of Kenya. Kericho branch, which was overseen by the caretaker, one Richard Towet alias Ezekiel. The investigations have therefore conclusively established that all the remains recovered from the mass grave where we are standing this morning actually originated from Nyamira Teaching and Referral Hospital mortuary. And this has been acknowledged by the management and the officials of the said referral hospital. Have footages from the facility that shows that on March 19, 2026, 4 bags were loaded into a white Toyota Land Cruiser, registration number GKA 549L, by Jason Mochara Nyarbi, who is the chief mortician of the referral hospital, under the direct supervision of the facility's public health officer. And this particular vehicle has since been impounded and is under police custody. And therefore, to ensure complete accountability and transparency.
Barasa ya bagavana gekorawa numunyakira wabo yugo igoro mugavana we kaunti wa Chile Ahmed Abdullahi nigo yasokire na kumwegerero mugavana we kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja magega ye bunge ya Senate kurogo Chicago chia sumu Inspector General wa nyimbo Douglas Kanja umubeka byara haso gutekerana bose bwe Senate bagavana buni yobage kirobo rogo chikoko asabano bate birubuna Senate nige gutumika lichiko kubaye ngaye egati ya bagavana
IG Kanja. By the way, I spoke to some of his people and I realized there was no warrant of arrest against Governor Sakaja. The only thing there was a letter from the clerk of Senate to the IG. You cannot arrest a governor on the basis of a letter from the Senate clerk. So we want to tell our policemen not to be misused. This is a political matter. It's a political standoff. When it goes legal, we'll play it in court. When it goes legal, we'll play it out in court. And the people will regret that it never reached that level. But for now, it's a political standoff. It requires a political solution, and that political solution can only come from the leadership of Council and the leadership of Senate. And we sought audience with the leadership of the Senate. And we continue to seek audience. And in principle, certain members of the leadership continue telling us, yes, we hear you, we need to talk. But on the other hand, the committee continues behaving in a very intransigent manner, and they continue to embarrass themselves. Because when you summon governors and they don't show up, or those who show up refuse to prosecute the matter, they're also embarrassing themselves.
Up until when we have an audience with the Speaker and the leadership and settle this cause, or rather settle this matter, we will continue staying away from the SIPA committee, but will appear on all other committees of both the Senate and the National Assembly. Even that SIPA will appear if the 4 members of the Senate of the SIPA committee, which we have already named in public, will not be in that committee. I don't have to repeat their names. They are known to the
Sarabati romancho mori kirelia nongo ikiromo elio bomangana mayiye kionga chinsenye chebono utiko literane serious nyakundi sense melimo nyelio igalenge Wilson makuli na basabira arugoli kirelia na bayigo butuko.
Omurayi omukuru bwense ya Burkina Faso Thomas Sankara nigatebete nigekuira ekerengo gete ky'obubalimo kibirengereryo eliokolenta amoncheryo y'amagenderero asa amatukabulisyo nakyo gekogera omuseneta Gloria Oruoba erure koba ebalimo yaino asa omusimamo y'omutindi akonye kurwanirira omugusi inyora omusike Oruoba nigalinge omuseneta omuchorwa bw'ekyama gya serikali gya UDA kulende agesokya kubwatisya omurwanirira bw'ekerugo ky'oburayi bwense kurwa orogonko rwa gusi omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange bakamuruke balimo goika kaurwe ekerugo kyaye ky'obuseneta asogotenena n'omugusi omwabo nonyabono atabwati emirimo obeire okurwanirira abasubati wekinia kiuchumi koenana ebitamba by'obuchenu naboigo kurwania chisegi chiegenka bono nigo aboliri omugusi komochora buna omu women representative bwe county ya Kisii asobocholi bw'omwaka ogocha elio aire obubalimo bwaye ali asebunge agenderere kurwanirira omugusi emeremeye nigetageta omusubati omulemu Oruoba narokwe balimo takumeti kugicha obubalimo obo bokonye kurwanirira omugusi mbuya gutwara omusubati omulemu gose balimo kubwa gutwara omusubati omwoba okoni egesaku uyo nere Gloria Oruoba ebalimo yagusi.